it's Joanne from 15 Spatulas. Today I'm going to show you how to make the perfect hard-boiled eggs, and we're also going to make a really lovely egg salad recipe. So the first thing you want to do is place some eggs into the bottom of a small saucepan, and you want to make sure to only do a single layer of eggs. And then you're going to take some cold water and just cover the eggs with an inch of water. And then you're going to place it on your stove, turn the heat to high, and we're going to wait for this to come to a boil. Once the water's come to a rolling boil, you want to remove the eggs from the heat and then cover it with a lid and let this sit for 10 minutes. Once your eggs are done, you're just going to drain the water, and you're going to peel these under cold running water. I've peeled all of my eggs so we can get to the fun part, which is making our egg salad. So I'm just going to do a rough chop on all of these hard-boiled eggs. All this is going to go into our mixing bowl. Now we can move on to our fresh ingredients. I'm going to chop up a rib of celery, 2 scallions, and some fresh dill. Next, we're going to add a couple tablespoons of Greek yogurt, a couple tablespoons of mayonnaise, 2 or 3 teaspoons of Dijon mustard, a big pinch of salt, and some freshly cracked black pepper. Okay, so we're just going to give that a good stir. Once that's all combined, you can just put it on crackers, you can put it on some sandwich bread. Got some homemade sandwich bread here. Go in for a taste. I don't think the egg salad gets enough attention. It makes for such a delicious lunch, and it keeps so well in the fridge. So you can get this full recipe on my website, 15spatulas.com. Put a link in the description box below. Please don't forget to subscribe, like, and leave a comment. And thanks for watching. I'll see you next Thursday.